Here we have a 1936 Corona standard antique portable typewriter, glossy black. One of my favorite models, considered a flat top because this is flat versus the curvier top. I'm going to show you how to use all the functions and make sure they all work. You want to flip that so the paper will feed through it. There we go. The margins are behind the carriage here, and you just move them with your finger like that. And this one's at the edge already, so you can't really play with that too much. We're going to keep it close to that side. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin, and you hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip that switch forward above the left knob there, and it'll skip 2. Right now we're going to keep it on single and go back to the next line and finish these keys. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line real quick. Very nice typing machine, very reactive. You can type really fast on this, and it's just feels like an antique typewriter. It feels great. And if you buy something brand new, you will waste your money and send it back because it'll break. This right here will last forever if you take care of it, and it's probably cheaper than most of those brand new ones that are pieces of crap. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch forward and it pulls out. What that does is unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the paper out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Got a shift on each side here and a shift lock on the left side. To clear it, you just hit the shift button again. It's got a backspace on the top right here. That works good. And open the hood. We got a touch control on the left side here. The higher you go on that touch control, the higher the tension is when you hit the keys. I like to have it on low personally. And right now, all the brand new ribbon is on the left, so we'll have it pulling to the right. To switch the direction, you just flip the switch full up on the left side there, and it'll start pulling towards this direction on the counterclockwise. We're going to switch that back down, keep it pulling that side. And if you got your direction going the wrong way and you pull to the end of this, it'll jam up your vibrator and it'll seem like your typewriter is malfunctioning when it really isn't. So if that happens, that's why. This is your ribbon color selector switch. Right now we have an all black ribbon, but if you had a black and red ribbon, you switch that, flip that switch up and it'll hit the bottom portion of the ribbon. We're going to keep it down for now so it doesn't have to jump up so high. When it's on black or blue, it'll just hit the top portion of the ribbon. It's got carriage release levers on each side here. Right here behind the knob allows you to control the carriage freely, move it wherever you want. Normally, it'll only allow you to push to that direction to get back to being in margin. If you try to pull it to the left, it won't let you unless you hold the carriage release. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.